Hey there! Ready to jazz up your home screen on iOS 18? Today, I'll walk you through some awesome customization options to make your iPhone truly yours. Let's dive right in. First up, let's rearrange your apps and folders. Tap and hold any empty area on your home screen. Drag and drop your app icons or folders to wherever you want them. Next, let's add and resize widgets. While in edit mode, tap Edit at the top left corner. Select Add Widgets. Then swipe through the widgets available and choose the ones you like. Now, resize them by using the hand tools. Finally, drag and drop the widget to your preferred spot. Now, let's customize your app icons. In edit mode, tap Edit again. Then select Customize. Here's where it gets fun. Choose Automatic to match your wallpaper. Try Tinted for custom color. Switch between dark or light mode with dark/light. Adjust icon size to small or large. Moving on to organizing with folders. While still in edit mode, drag one app icon onto another to create a folder. Then tap the folder to rename it and make it look just right. Add more apps by dragging them into the folder. Lastly, managing apps. In edit mode, tap the minus on the top left of an app icon. Next, confirm deletion if prompted. And there you have it. Now you're a pro at customizing your home screen on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Catch you next time!